Welcome back. I'm JP, and I teach everyday acoustic songs to everyday acoustic players. I put out multiple videos a week. If you like these kind of things, like and subscribe, and so you know when I put them out. Today we're going to dive into actually a very easy song, not much of a dive, but it's Peaceful Easy Feeling by the Eagles. It's one of their easiest songs to play, so it's a really good song to add to your repertoire. Your party repertoire, your sitting in your bedroom repertoire, wherever you play. It's a great song. It's a country rock song that is very accessible, very simple to play, and we're gonna hit that right now. So let's go to the first chord. For this song, you're gonna need D, you're gonna need G, you're gonna need A7. You're also gonna need to add in there E minor as well. So very easy. Now, the song is in the key of E, but I don't like playing with the E shape, especially having to hit that B natural, okay? So to kind of transpose it, I just put the capo on the second fret, and now I can play in the key of E, but use the D shape, the D, G, A, and D, okay? So if you don't like playing in the key of open E, just put your capo on fret number 2 and play your D shape. Okay? So I've got my bass drum ready to go. The link's in the description if you're interested, and if you want to know what I'm playing or what I'm playing with my foot. Again, a country rock song. Right hand, mid-tempo, not too fast. 1, 2, 3, here's the verse. Kind of vamping here. And I like the way G, D, skin so brown. Desert tonight, a million stars all around, and everything, right? Simple. Now the chorus, 2, 3, 4. Now this sort of transition back to the verse. When I'm already standing on the ground, 'cause I'm on E minor, G, A. That's better. Yeah, I call that kind of a turn. It's a back to the verse. Okay, so again, the verse is just D and G, and then 5/7, A7. Okay, and then that the chorus, and I've got a G, D. And that is basically the whole song. That's how to strum it. and sing it, which is kind of what I do. I'm not much of a lead player, but that's all it takes to play Peaceful, Easy Feeling. If you like the video, again, give it a like and subscribe. And I also did a Take It Easy and a Tequila Sunrise video that got pretty good response. So you can check those out on my channel. And yeah, so if you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and I will see you on the next video. Woohoo!